The largest and fastest running bird on land, capable of sprinting up to 45 miles per hour. Ostrich. This brightly colored, helmeted bird is known as the world's most dangerous bird. Cassowary. Though it can't fly, it's a champion swimmer and flies through water. Penguin. Australia's largest bird, it can't fly, but it can run and swim impressively well. Emu. This shy, nocturnal New Zealander lays the largest egg relative to its body size. Kiwi. The world's only flightless and nocturnal parrot, critically endangered in New Zealand. Kakapo. Some of these South American ducks are too heavy to fly, but can run on water. Steamer duck. This New Zealand native has stout, strong legs, long toes, and a large red beak. Takahe. Native to South America, this flightless bird is related to ostriches and emus. Rhea. Found only in the Galapagos, it evolved to swim expertly instead of fly. Flightless cormorant. If you got 10 out of 10, you are a bird expert.